MasterCAM is a powerful CAM software that provides a range of tools for generating CNC code for a variety of machining operations, including milling, turning, drilling, and wire EDM. Here is an overview of the process for generating CNC code in MasterCAM. Create or import a 3D model. Start by creating a 3D model of the part you want to machine or importing an existing model into MasterCAM. Define the machining operations. Use the CAM tools to create the desired machining operations, such as milling, turning, drilling, or wire EDM. Generate the G-code. Use the MasterCAM software to generate the G-code, which is the programming language used by CNC machines to control their movements. Transfer the G-code to the CNC machine. Transfer the generated G-code to the CNC machine, either by saving it to a file and loading it onto the machine, or by directly connecting to the machine from within MasterCAM.